Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to review the movie named Gunjan Saxena The Kargil Hill. First we'll talk about the cast of this film, then we'll jump into the review. So as you can see, there is Janvi Kapoor as IAF pilot officer whose name is Gunjan Saxena in this movie, and the younger version of Gunjan Saxena has been played by Riva Arora, and there is Pankaj Tripathi who plays the role of Anup Saxena, who is the father of Gunjan Saxena in this movie. There is Angan Bedi, who is playing as the Anshuman Saxena, who is the elder brother of Gunjan Saxena in this movie, and the younger version of Anshuman Saxena is played by Aryan Arora. There is even Manav Vijay who is playing as a commanding officer in this movie, and his name is Gautam Sinha in this movie. There is Vineet Kumar as a fighter commander officer whose name is Dilip Singh in this movie. There is even Aisha Mishra as Kriti Saxena, who is actually playing the role of mother for in the movie for Gunjan Saxena and Angan Bedi, and as the wife of Pankaj Tripathi, that is Anup Saxena in this movie. Now let's talk about the director in this movie. The director of the movie is his name is Sharan Sharma. The movie is produced by Karan Johar, Z Studios, Hero Yash Johar, and Apurva Mehta. The movie is written by Nikhil Malhotra and Sharan Sharma. Music is given by Amit Trivedi. The background music score is given by John and Edwary. Totally there are 6 songs in this movie. All the songs play in the background, so there is no stoppage for this movie. This movie was released on Netflix India on 12th August 2:45 p.m. IST. Runtime of this movie is 1 hour 25 minutes. So now let's jump into the review. Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl, is a Hindi biographic movie which is the journey of a first Indian female female Air Force pilot. This movie is completely engaging, which is based on the India's first female 1999 Kargil War, where she was just 24 years old. There are hardly any dull scenes in this movie. As the movie's runtime is very crisp, it does not bore you and keeps you hooked and crooked and keeps you engaged till the end. Well, as you can see, we root for this young woman who strives very hard to fulfill her dreams and make make her name in this male-centric society, where she faces the biasness before she earns her due and respect in this movie, and it is portrayed in a very well balanced manner, and this movie will be an inspiration for many youngsters, because as you can see, where in our real lives we face many obstacles and we even face many problems, but if we just ignore that or try jumping over it and going, then I think so it's never possible. We need to actually fight those obstacles and even tackle them to succeed in our lives. I think this movie uh, has no negative points. The positive points of this movie is Pankaj Tripathi. Uh, Pankaj Tripathi is a gem of an actor. You know that recently he's been seen in many movies and web series. The movie story is really good. It's written beautifully, The cinematography of this movie is excellent. The locations which have been shown is beautiful in this movie. The movie songs are really good. All the songs play in the background. The movie's background score is really good, and you can see the movie overall is it gives you a feel good. This movie can be watched with your whole family. There are no such scenes which will make you feel embarrassed. This So now let's talk about the acting. Janvi Kapoor, will talk about her first. I think Janvi Kapoor's acting has really improved from her first film, which was Dhadak. She has put even more hard work and she has improved her acting in this movie. Then we'll talk about Pankaj Tripathi. Pankaj Tripathi is a gem of an actor. Whenever he comes in any role, he just aces it. It's like a piece of cake for him. Then there is Angad Bedi. Angad Bedi is also done a really good job. His performance was really good. I really enjoyed it. There is Manav Viji. Manav Viji is also a really great actor. His performance was also really good. There is Vineet Kumar Singh. Vineet Kumar's acting was also really good. There is even uh, Janvi Kapoor's mother who plays in this movie as a character. Her acting was also really good. So overall, I feel this movie can be watched with your whole family. So before giving my ratings, I just want to talk few things about Karan Johar and his strategies and his tactics, because Karan Johar releases his movies 2 days before. That is like he keeps press shows 2 days before the movie gets released. So during those press shows, like most of the movie critics, trades and everyone, the movie has been showed to them. Then afterwards their reviews are taken, like how many stars they have given, what all things they are told about the movie, and they are made as posters and uploaded in their social media sites. Due to this, they actually get more hype for the movie. And I hear few people say that they might be fake reviews, paid reviews and all those things. Why would someone actually want to give a bad review and just or a good review? Tell me, if the movie is good, obviously they will give good reviews only. Okay, they might say if they have given some bad review, they might actually pay them and tell them please give some good review or something. But I don't think so. There is nothing like this, because I have seen many of them giving 3 stars, 3.5 stars to 4 stars to 4.5 stars. So as you can see, the ratings are really good, and I would say this will be the second blockbuster for Netflix India, as their first movie Raat Akeli Hai was also a blockbuster because it also got amazing reviews. So if you ask my rating, I will be giving 4.5 out of 5 stars for this movie. This is a must-watch movie. That's it from my side. Thank you for watching. Please do considering liking this video and share this video as much as possible and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in another review. Goodbye. Take care.